It is also about loneliness. It's also about father and son, their relationship. It's also about masculinity and vulnerability. How did you process all of that?
I mean, you get older and you just get tired of protecting yourself or having any secrets. You just want to get on with it. And
the cancel culture has been going on for years, and at times it can be very cruel. This is the case for Johnny Depp, who has been through the worst in the hands of Amber Heard. Well, compared to other actors who have faced abuse allegations such as Brad Pitt, Depp seems to be the one who has received the most cruelty despite being innocent. The legal battle between Depp and Heard has robbed Depp of not just his career but also his reputation. Other celebrities like Brad Pitt have faced a more forgiving audience compared to Depp, and in this video, we are going to look at how unfairly Depp has been treated compared to Brad Pitt. At this point, we all know Depp's story, but many of you might not know about Brad's story, so let me break it down for you. Angelina Jolie and Brad Pitt's separation, which began in 2016, has been anything but smooth. Just earlier this year, Jolie filed new court documents against her ex-husband claiming incidents of domestic violence. According to Us Weekly, the documents, which were filed on Friday, March 12th, state that Jolie and their children are willing to offer proof and authority in support of these allegations against Pitt. The actress also agreed to provide testimony along with the testimony of minor children. Earlier on in an interview with The Guardian to promote her new book, Know Your Rights, A Guide for Young People, the actress shared exactly what inspired her to write the book. "I've met too many children who live with the effect of their rights being violated. Displaced people, young rape victims. I couldn't understand why they were still fighting for basic things that were their rights to begin with. It made me very angry. Then I had an experience in the States with my own children and I thought, well, human rights, children rights," she said. When the journalist Simon Hattenstone pressed her on what it was that made her fear for the safety of her children, Jolie apologized. "I'm still in my own legal situation. I can't speak about that." Hattenstone then instructed Jolie to nod as she was talking about the divorce and allegations, to which the star did. While these are serious allegations, a source close to the family revealed that Jolie's filing was nothing more than an attempt to hurt Pitt. Over the past 4.5 years, there have been a number of claims made by Angelina that have been reviewed and not sustained, the source told Us Weekly and added, "The children have been used by Angelina to hurt Brad before, and this is more of that behavior. This leaking of documents by her 4th or 5th set of lawyer has been done to hurt Brad." Pitt and Jolie share 6 children: Maddox, Pax, Zahara, Shiloh, and 13-year-old twins Vivian and Knox. The former couple has been battling over the custody of their children since their divorce was filed on September 20th, 2016. Jolie, who was the one to file for divorce citing irreconcilable differences, asked for full custody of the children at the time. Days later, news broke that an altercation on a flight from Nice, France to Los Angeles had ultimately sparked the reason for the divorce. Pitt was drinking heavily and allegedly physically hurt their son Maddox. The Los Angeles Department of Children and Family Services and FBI investigated the case and cleared Pitt. In January 2017, both parties announced they wanted to keep the divorce out of the public eye. However, both opened up about their personal feelings about the situation and claimed that they both wanted the same outcome. But despite their personal admissions, the divorce continued. In August 2018, Jolie accused Pitt of not paying meaningful child support, which he denied and claimed he had paid her over $8 million. The aim of Angelina's routine court filing is to provide closure to the marriage in a way that clears a path towards the next stage of their lives and allows her and Brad to recommit as devoted co-parents to their children, the statement in the court filing read. In April 2019, Jolie and Pitt legally bifurcated their marriage, meaning Jolie could drop Pitt from her surname and they could both be technically single while the other areas of the divorce proceeding, including child custody and finances, continued. A year later, in August 2020, Jolie asked that Judge John W. Oderkirk be replaced as he failed to mention his ongoing business relations with Pitt's attorneys. However, he refused, stating that she's known about that that conflict all along, considering he officiated their wedding in 2014, and the court can decide whether or not to remove him. Pitt's legal team filed their own documents stating that this action is nothing more than a thinly veiled attempt by Jolie to delay the adjudication of long-pending custody issues in this case. In February of this year, Jolie admitted that the ongoing divorce proceedings have been difficult. The past few years have been pretty hard. I've been focusing on healing our family. It's slowly coming back, like the ice melting and the blood returning to my body, she told British Vogue and added, "But I'm not there. I'm not there yet, but I hope to be." Johnny Depp has been through the same hell as Brad, but the difference is that Depp is actually innocent. Things have been much more worse for Depp since Amber Heard decided to use the hashtag #MeToo campaign for her selfish reasons. The op-ed that she wrote on the Washington Post was also a huge contributing factor to Depp's ruined reputation. The op-ed got Amber Heard so many online supporters who were dead bent on canceling Johnny Depp. When asked about the cancel culture, Depp said it's a very complex situation. This cancel culture, or this instant rush to judgment based on essentially what amounts to polluted air, the various movements that came out, I'm sure with the best of intentions, however, it got so far out of hand that I can assure you no one is safe, not one of you, so long as someone is willing to say one thing. This happened after Depp had sued the publisher of The Sun over claims he was violent to Heard during their volatile 2-year marriage, but the falsified details of his private life that emerged during the libel trial damaged his reputation after he lost the suit. Unlike Brad, Depp has claimed that his ex's accusations have resulted in him being blacklisted by Hollywood, which then ended up costing him his roles in Pirates of the Caribbean and Fantastic Beasts. He also believes that the false accusations made by Amber Heard are the reason his latest film, Minamata, has yet to open in U.S. theaters. Johnny Depp's latest film, Minamata, hasn't opened in U.S. theaters yet because he's being blacklisted by Hollywood over his ongoing legal issues with Amber Heard. We looked these people in the eyeballs and promised we would not be exploitative, that the film would be respectful. I believe that we've kept our end of the bargain, but those who came in later should also maintain theirs, Depp told the British newspaper The Times in an interview. MGM, an American media company, acquired the film for distribution in October and previously set a February 5th release date. However, that date was later postponed, and an MGM rep told the Post it was due to the pandemic, and no new date has been set yet. Brad, on the other hand, has not been affected by the allegations made against him at all. In fact, his career is at its peak with him featuring in huge films like The Irresistible and Once Upon a Time in Hollywood. The huge allegations made by Amber against Depp severely damaged his reputation and career. Aside from that, Amber also used the media to her advantage and incited so many people against Depp. This strategy helped her to gain tons of sympathizers in the past, but not anymore. Amber's supporters are now reducing by the day since people are finally learning the truth about what actually happened during her marriage. On the other hand, Depp is gaining more supporters, and fans have even started predicting that he will win the ongoing legal battle. Do you think it's fair that Brad Pitt walked away scot-free while Depp is losing his career? Let us know in the comment section below, and thanks for watching.